I clicked it. Okay, you're recording. Go.
Hi, I'm Darrian, the owner of this layout. Over here is the area where I store my engines. This one is my favorite because it's the first one I ever bought. Also down here you got more engines. There's an engine on the siding, and right here's my passenger area. In here we have more train cars. Okay. In here we got more locomotives.
Where they supposed to be.
And those ones will later tonight be put in here, along with the other locos. And over here you got the town. That was something I made at school one day as a passenger station. And this is all HO scale, which is two sizes down from, or two sizes up from Z scale. Right here is your freight train number 58. This is train 58, and this is passenger freight. My mistake. You'll notice that the orange tanker says hooker. I'm obviously not using prostitutes on my layout. That would be nice though.
Darrian.
Sorry. Over there you got my... Come on, don't you think puss deserves any attention? Alright. Over
You
here...
want to show your cat? Go get your cat and
And
bring it.
also there you got your town and your railroad yard. Right here you got Curious George, my engineer, and you'll see when later, dang it.
Okay.
Later, hold on. Later, you'll find that my cat causes more than 50% of my derailments, and she also loves this layout. And right here's the crossing. That used to have automatic crossing arms, but I got rid of them because they were glitchy. That's a little car right here.
It's like my Toyota in it.
Yeah, and they've got a tree on the other side of Amtrak. Let me see if it's working.
I unplugged it. Okay, Darrian, you're done.
Alright.
You're done.
When we get this Amtrak money, I will post another video. That's all for now.